everybody, this is the Metallic Fanatic, and if you've been on this channel for a while, or you've seen my, or one of the people who came over from my previous channel, well, my still existing channel, I have actually reviewed this before, but it was in a specific light for a specific function. And it's not perfect for that function, but it is by far my favorite of the survival, outdoors, bushcraft types of shovel. This is called the Chinese military shovel. It is of course manufactured in China, as a lot of things are in this country, including many Apple products, if not all Apple products. This is, to me, probably the best built entrenching tool I've seen. And one of the reasons it is it's not because of the wood handle. I got a lot of all metal shovels, but the thing about the all metal shovels is they're very finely balanced. You know, you can almost hold them at a point, and then there's almost no point where you can hold this up because it is so top heavy. But this is a multi-tool, and this top heaviness actually assists in the function of this shovel, because it has an axe head in effect, a chopping edge, which I sharpened just a bit. I didn't actually go off. I don't think I even got it. See, I don't even have it sharpened to cut paper. Well, it will cut paper, but I have to put it up against it pretty hard. And I didn't sharpen it really sharp or razor sharp because it's a single edged. This raised edge is I don't know if it was forged this way or not, but there's a thick piece of metal on this edge that acts as a potential chopper. So you know that's real nice. So with this top heaviness, you actually get the effect. The axe is always heavy on the head, which you need as a propulsion point. So I always think about this as being a pendulum, and the fact that it is weighted helps its function, so you can actually chop pretty good. So I'm not going to do a lot of chopping here because unfortunately I'm inside. I don't have to get outside and actually do it in earnest, but then I might do it in the next test. But that's a great function. And the structure of this is all metal, and this is a very, very heavy grade of metal that holds it in place here. It has a very chromed metal screw that works as the anchor. So when you open it up and you find it, and it will you can set it at various angles, so it can be in effect almost a pick type apparatus in this angle, or various other degrees of whatever function you might need. Who knows, if you're going to use it basically as a shovel, you might want to, you know, have it not quite straight out. But I am going to just plop it in here. So now let me get me a piece, and let me just do a couple of swift chops here. I don't want to damage anything too severely in here, so I'm just going to take a piece of dial I've used before, as you can tell by the chop areas, not with this particular tool. But let me just do one quick chop or two, and you'll see that I can very easily cut through this dial with no problem at all. Of course, I can't take the swing I would take outside, and I could actually get into it, but you see the kind of damage it does there. So it does serve as a good multi-tool. The shovel is pretty easy to see. It does have a shovel head, and it does have the slight concave area of a shovel. It has a sharpened point, so you can sort of dive down and dive in. I sharpened that just a bit. I did not really sharpen it to any great degree. I sharpened the edge bevel here a little bit, and it does have a serrated edge, so you could use it as a saw blade of sorts, but that'd probably be its weakest function. All right, I just wanted to give you a quick look at this, and you know, it's a Chinese military shovel. I got it on Amazon. I'm sure they're available anywhere. And one of the other great things about it is it actually comes with 2 sheaves. And slip it in, and you've got it you've got it sheathed up, which is the way it should go. Now the other one. Now this is what really makes it good, especially if you guys are doing outdoors work, outdoors or bushcraft. This is super. You can just slip this in like this. Slip it down, and with a couple of buckles here, you have it secured, and then you can just slap it over your shoulder or hang it off your back. That's a pretty good combination of features. Sorry about the noise here, but that is what I want to show you. To me, this is the best shovel. It has the requirements that you would need to use to take it out camping, backpacking, or wherever else you're doing, bushcraft in general. And you have a small sheath you could use if you just need to stick it in to drive across town and make a quick dig, or to put in the back of your car, which you could use to get a sheath and just do a quick dig to get you out of a hole, or get you out of a mud hole in your tires, etc. In any case, this is the Metallic Fanatic. I will catch you next time, and you have a wonderful day.